So we look into Bitcoin price. Let's start. So welcome to my channel. We start with the Bitcoin price and look in which direction the Bitcoin price will go. Today I saw some signs. That means, hopla, I'm too fast. So we delete this, then we going to this. So welcome to my channel. We're looking to the Bitcoin price and looking what happens here. So I draw here a line. If you see this, I hope you can see this. So we have now this, and now we're looking to this chart, and then we recognize that something is not going very well. That means the price is going here to the downside, and we try to reach this level. If you draw this exactly, then I would say we have such formation. So now we look zooming in and look more in detail and recognize here an interesting constellation. That means this is our positive trend channel. So we now staying here. What happens next? I'm honest to you, Bitcoin break his uptrend here, break his uptrend here, break his uptrend here. And now we break the uptrend here. I draw for you this, and now you can see clear this uptrend what we have here is clear break to the downside. Look, even if we make something like that, I think the price will go here to the downside. Yeah. So if we look here to the RSI, then you can see that the structures are broke. Yeah. The problem is the walls. You can see this is the downtrend, the negative channel, and we staying exactly here. And you can see we test this one time. So, and we have not so much time. If you look here, the triangle gets closer and closer. And we try this here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And if I see something like that, then I not like this. Yeah. For me, it seems it's a 1 minute chart. Look, in the 1 minute chart, I predict this for you. And I think if somebody predict in the 1 minute chart, this is very. Of the other side, this is bad, yeah, because in the 1 minute chart, too extreme. But in this case, makes sense to see here. This is the negative channel here, and to see how many tries we make here, yeah. And I think it seems there's a left shoulder hat and the right shoulder formation inverse. And even if we go here to these levels, yeah, to test this again, 1, 2, we will fall or drop here to the downside. Yeah. Even if this is happening here. If we zoom out, then you can see that we try this here one time, the second time, this is the inverse left shoulder hat and right shoulder formation, and this is the third time. In my eyes, this is possible. or if coming very bad, then this here, even we have here not so much energy. We make this red. So in my eyes, the red line is more makes sense, but the walls can stretch this to the upside to these levels. Yeah. So what happens here? The price you can see we touch is 1, 2, 3 time, and we could try this again here, test this level here again. But then I think we will go sideways and then finally fall to these levels here. Let me look. Yes, if this is happening, if we reach again the 17,600, then this is getting a little bit ugly because in my eyes this is a retest, yeah, and after the retest we have here also a triangle that gets closer and closer, and that means we could get this formation. That means look here, triangle, and from this level we will make here really hard upside trend, yeah, to 26,000, or downtrend to these levels, yeah. So in my eyes, I would prefer this to the downside because the upside make no sense, yeah. So I read the chat. Let's see, yeah, Kunti, I hope also that Kunti goes to $20. But I think even to $20 is too much. The Kunti will go here to the downside. Yeah. So the whales, they will push the price to the downside. If we look here from this point of view, then we have here a really big inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and the price will go here to the downside. Yeah. So I think Bitcoin has here really, really negative energy. So let's look here live. What is the behavior of the Bitcoin price? As you can see, it's dancing on the line, and then I think the red line, we will make the red line. But the walls can stretch this also to these levels to test the negative trend here to the downside and fall out of range here. Yeah, so I think. So let's look here to few altcoins. Let's look to QNT, what we have here. We can also look first to gold. Maybe you are interested in gold. In gold, we have here this uptrend. This uptrend will break to the downside, and we will see something like that. Yeah. And this here is the begin of a bull market. I would say 2024, 25. We will see this, and then you will find the gold price here at 3,000 or $2,800. Why we have this is relatively easy. If you look here, how can I describe you this? In the Bitcoin price, we are here at these moments, and I expect at the Bitcoin price this. Yeah, gold has another cycle, This is a 20-year cycle, and we have to make here a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. And that means we have to go in that way to the upside. And gold will go here to $7,000. Yeah, the Fed and other central banks, they print money, and the value of gold will rise. Yeah, so I think let's say until 2025, 26 to $3,000, and until 2031 to $7,000. So let's look to Guinty. This is for you. Interesting. So classical retest of Guinty. This is the last retest. If let's look what we have here. Yes, you can see this is the last retest. We're testing the negative trend line, and this fall or drop is the painful. Yeah. So if we look here, then I would say we have energy to 26, but we will make a 50% drop. So I think the half of 56 is 29. Yeah, 29, 26 in these levels. Then I think we will go out of range here. Or if coming very bad, from 26, one step to the downside, yeah, to make this formation, and then really hard go to these levels. Yeah, I think we will see something like that. So let's look to what we have here. Solana is interesting. Also the same. We have a huge inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. This is coming from 240 to 70. That means if this construct breaks, it will break because this is very huge. The price will smash to the downside. Let me look first. Wow, this is too much. I think we could go really to $6, something like that. Very bad structure. We make here also the retest that is already happening, and that means we will smash to the downside. I would say between 9 and $15. Yeah, the price will go really hard to the downside. So make this. I would say nothing to analyze because the value is clear. You can see directly to this base. I would say between 001 and 0005. Yeah. So we're looking here to Bitcoin back. As I described you here in the live, the Bitcoin price dancing here now on the red line. And if we cannot break this, if this is not possible, then the red line will happen that the price will go here to the downside. Yeah. So we make here so the same. Look, we have here huge inverse left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation. It seems that this is here good, but in really we have a problem because the price is broke, and that means we could fall to these levels, yeah, from 150,000. Let's make so from 150,000, I would say that we have the energy to fall to 60,000 and 70,000. Yeah. This is the last drop. After that, we will go out of range here, yeah, from the negative channel, then go to the upside. Somebody will that I should check the silver price. Let's look the silver price. Hui, this is like a rocket. Yeah. Yes, the same. The silver price. Let me look. Yes, you can see. Look here. We touch this line one time. Second time, we will hit this the third time. Yeah. But we have another structure like the gold price, but I think if I look to this and if I see that we break here some structure, let me look. So if we're looking to this structure, let me look. Yes, you can forget this structure. I think we will see something like that, and like the gold price, the price will drop to these levels, 3, 4 or $7. I think more $7, and then the price will go slowly to the upside. Same like the gold price, we will build here left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation, and the price will go extreme to the upside. If you're asking me how far we can go here at the silver, I would say the price will go until 2030. Yeah, here 2030 here. I would say the price will go here, maybe a peak, yeah, to $300 and $400. A peak, yeah. You will not see this will not stay so long, yeah. A peak and then go here to $200 and then fall here to the downside. We will see something like that. This was also in the history, so that we saw here a peak. Yeah, you can see this will not the same structure we will see also there. You can see in 1980 we saw here really short-term peak. Look here, September, November, 2 months, and we have here this. So in 3 months, yeah, you have to be here very quick. Yeah, September to December, 3 months, a bull market here, and then fall. And the same we will see also here, long-term sideways movement. You can see over the years. This cycle is now a 5-year cycle, and the same we will see also there. Yeah. But the effect is here huge. The price of um, silver will go here to 400, but the problem is you cannot sell. Yeah, you can only sell um, paper silver. Yeah, if you trade this, knockouts and so on. Then you can sell. But if you have this physical, then you go to the shop and say, okay, I want to sell my silver. This man or woman um, would not buy from you. Yeah, if you say I buy here silver and sell here, they would say no. Yeah. So there's a problem to sell the silver. So let's look to XRP, crypto freaks. So we have this. You can see here very good look here in the months chart. Yeah, you can see the price of XRP is not going to 0 or 29. So we have here energy to go a little bit to the downside in direction of 35 or 44. Yeah, maybe with this move we could reach this, and if you zoom in, then you can see that we have here also the structure to go here to the downside. So what we doing here exactly on these levels here? What we doing here at the XCP price? I hope you can see this. We test this level. Yeah, that means look here. The price is not going up. We test it. That means the price will go here to the downside. And this very horrible. I expect here 50% drop to the downside. Here, I expect that the XCP price goes to 50% is 17 cent or 16 cent. Yeah, but this is the last move to the downside. I expect that the price will break here this structure and then a little bit fire. Yeah. So if we see this, then I think we could test this fall to 16 cent, yeah, 13 cent, go to these levels, and then we could test higher levels until August, more sideways movement and in direction of end of year. We could make here something like that, yeah. So because we need this structure. Yeah, if you look here, we need this structure to go out of this negative channel, and I expect, let me look, we make this a little bit smaller end of year, and then the price will go here to the downside and then upside. So XDC, um, I would say this is very good. It is a very good crypto. We will see in the bull market such move like that, 0.04 to 20 cent. We will see the 10 times higher value like this, yeah, beginning from here. So if we going here, let me look, how much is this? I would say 20 times or more. Let's say 25. And if we're going from this 25, then we are landing at $4. So something like that I would prefer. But I think we have a little bit downtrend to this level 0.01, and we will also prepare here to come out of this negative channel. Yeah, we will break this. This is clear. The next trend is to break this structure, and we will build this structure to go the next year a little bit to the upside. Yeah, the finally bull market will start exactly here. Yeah, but this is one of the good cryptos. You see the aggressive movement to the upside, and this has potential. If the project is not dead, then I would I will look here more and more to XDC because this such structure is not so much. Let's look to the chat. So also aggressive crypto. Most of the people see this structure and say, okay, this is not a good crypto, yeah, and say, okay, the price is going only here to $2 and has no potential. But they see not the potential that this structure has nothing to do with the structure that is coming here to the upside. Yeah. So in my eyes, we're forming here an inverse pattern. Yeah, but this inverse pattern will change to a positive pattern, left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and will go here. I think in the bull market, if I look to this, then I would prefer here to say to go here to 10 to $12. Yeah, something like that. The same prices, yeah, targets you get in the Wolf Exclusive Club, because there I say to you the end targets, and this is one of the end targets here. You can see how potential this is. Yeah, this is a classical prediction like the Wolf Exclusive Club. People looking here to 27 cent, but for me it's clear this is will go here to $12, and they know not this. Yeah, they have not the info that the price will go here to these levels. No financial advice, but we have here clear signs. This is like other cryptos, yeah, like XRP and so on. And that's the benefit of this Wolf Exclusive Club, that you know how far can go my crypto. If you not know this, then you, how can I say, then you are here not risk. You take not the risk here, yeah, and say, okay, 27 cent is cheap. You say, okay, what is if the price is going to 0.010 cent or 10 cent? Yeah, you have a little bit fear, but for me, it's clear these are buy areas. Even if we go here to 15 cent, target is in my eyes $12. Yeah, but the people not understand so much. If I predict this, this is a typical prediction for the Wolf Exclusive Club. People who use this, they exactly know this is the area. Then they can adjust here what they invest. So we make here this, and then I would finish because this was a live regarding Bitcoin. Oh, what happens here? Oh, okay, it's how can I say? It's starts earlier. Yeah, it starts earlier. Okay, then we have a good base here to make this. Okay, very good. In my eyes was a little bit stretching, yeah, like this, but the whales they start a little bit earlier, so that's good. This is good. But if we're going here to the downside, they can stretch again, yeah. Please keep this in your mind here. We have a little bit place, Yeah. So the price is going very well to the downside, but this is only the beginning. But I think we will smash to the downside. This is a 1 minute chart. We cannot recognize here something so much, but this is clear. The price will go here to the downside, 17,000, maybe a little bit sideways, but then the price will smash to the downside. We have here clear signs. Yeah, the price will smash really to the downside. Yeah, in my eyes, I would say 13,000, 14,000. Yeah, this is coming, but the vaults can stretch this a little bit to the downside and sideways. Yeah, but it starts a little bit earlier. If we look here, let me look in which area we are here. This is in 1 minute chart to predict is very difficult, but we can look here a little bit. So we are landing now here. Okay, we put this a little bit away. So this is broke, as I described you at the beginning of the video. I said this will not hold. We will go here to the downside. Now we are here. This will also not hold. I would say that we could get here a uptrend to these levels, test this level again, but then the price will not hold. The price will go here to the downside. Let's delete this so that you can see this. So if you're landing here at these levels, then this year you can forget. Yeah, because I think then we have not so much energy to come in these levels. Yeah, I would say something like that. Double top going here to the downside, and then the price will go to these levels, make a retest, and finally really hard to the downside. Yeah, the sell-off is coming here. I don't know what will the reason, but the vaults, they will smash, or really, how can I say, yeah, the price will go really hard to the downside because this is the last stage, and I would say between 10, 11, 12, and 13,000. Yeah, because this is not funny here. You can see from the reaction and the movement, you can see, wow, this in live to see, this is very interesting. Look, the predictions coming true. Maybe we see here in the live a crash of the Bitcoin really hard to the downside because this is not normal, and this is predicted from my side that the price will smash here to the downside. Yeah. Let's see. I think we have a little bit place to the upside. I need here not 1 minute chart. I need here 15 seconds chart. Yeah, so that I see what they make. Let's look. I have to look here. Okay, okay. So if I look here to this, yeah, we can expect. You can see the prices here. We touch this here 1, 2, 3. I would say it now. We make this. Let's make this in green so that we see this. So we have here two possibilities. One possibility is to go here to the upside. The reason is we test this to few, yeah, or the vaults or the wells break this, make this retest, and then smash. You can see a lot of gap here. Yeah, the next stop here is 17,600 or 400. And here, from this level, we make here then stupid formations, go here sideways. Yeah, I would say 1, 2, 3. And then from this point, hard to the downside. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. So this is the difficult to predict in the 1 minute chart because um, the formations are too small, yeah, the reactions and so on. Let's look. Yeah, I would say the price is going a little bit to the upside. If we look into this, but this is a clear sign for us. Look here. We clear the structure here. You can forget this. This is garbage. Yeah. The price was here in the trend line. We break this clear, and now we're landing here. So this will not hold. Yeah, we can see. I understand this. Look, this is happening now. They stretch this to these levels again. Yeah, but the next will not hold. This is now clear for me. Look here. Stretching, and the next is going here to the downside. Let's look. Yeah, we're dancing here on the line. This is too. I need here not 1 minute chart. I need here 15 seconds. Yeah, so see this. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, I think one of them is that if the stretching is not coming, we make a small retest and then smash to the downside to 18,900. And you can see the green line is a big gap. The price will go here to these levels, and we will go more to the downside because the negative channel here this year is so broke here. You can forget this. Yeah, you can see here the negative channel, and if we're coming in this negative channel, yeah, then you can say goodbye to Bitcoin. You can see I draw this for you that you see this a really big gap, yeah, fat hole, yeah, or a big apple or something like that, yeah. The price has here power to 10,000, yeah. So a moon, maybe we can make here a moon or from this, yeah, that the moon boys can see this M, yeah, that they know the direction that the price will go here to the downside. So let's look to the chat. Mr. Gaddafi, why you buying at 17,000? If you are moon boy or follow the moon boys, then um, you can do that. That you can buy at 17,000. No financial advice, but you can see the price is very negative. So let's look. Yeah, um, I have here not so much. How can I say? I see here not so much performance. Yeah, let's look. Maybe this is a fake breakout to the downside. Maybe the vaults want that the price make this to the upside. Yeah, it's also possible. Let's look what happens here. But it seems this structure is not a good structure. Let's look. We make here this. Yeah, even if we go a little bit to the upside, you can see in the RSI, very important, the RSI, we're going here to the upside, and in real, yeah, the value is staying. Yeah, and this is a danger because the RSI is going to the upside like this, and we're staying and staying, and nothing is happening here. Very danger constellation. Look here. Yeah, if we're going here to the upside, uh, price is not changing. There's a signs that the price will break really hard to the downside. So we're looking here to this Mr. Lichtfunken request for this. Yes, I make this only for you. Yeah, you can see. Lubring. Let's look to this. You can see the wells also start this. Here you can see that was our uptrend, and you can see clear we are not in this uptrend. You can see maybe positive, yeah, negative, and oh, that is not good. Oh, look here. The positive uptrend is broke. Oh, this is not good. Yeah, the price will make a retest and then smash to the downside. Pui. That's not good. So if I look to this, I would expect that the price drops to 50%, 20 cent. So please share the videos so that we get here 1,000 views. Yeah, if we get here 1,000 views, then I would make every 4 hours for you live stream. Yeah, you have to help me to reach more subscriber, because if the channel is big, then I can make for you more live stream and more service for you. Yeah, so I think it depends. If you like the live streams and if you like the service, then please share the videos to your friends and family so that we can grow here in this channel. Also the same here, look, yeah, here at $1.65, and we have really not the energy, look here, to come out of this channel. And that's a dangerous point here to understand. This is very horrible. This is not good. That is really not good. The price will smash to the downside. We have to look. We are out of this negative channel. I would say 80 cent, but we have the energy to go a little bit to the downside. Let me look. Yes, I would say 50 cent. Yeah, something like that. 80 to 50 cent. So for more, please request in the Wolf Profi or Wolf Price Target or Wolf Exclusive Club. There are really good informations for you in the memberships. This is only a site, yeah, or an example for you that you see what is possible. Yeah, I already made here a prediction regarding XDC. I think this was XDC. To show you what is possible. Was this XDC? No, this was another example. No matter. Let's look to Ethereum. This is what I want to show here. Oh, it's all not nice. Ethereum, the price stay here at $1,000. My target was here 300. People laughing at me if I said to them the price will go to $700. They laughing really to me. Then I said, okay, after 700 we will go here to 300. Let's say the 50% drop from Ethereum to 500 levels, yeah, so something like that. Then we have the answer. Yeah, so if this 300 or 400 no matter, because Ethereum is coming from 5,000. So at these levels, I said to them, hey, the price will go here to 700, but many of the haters on my channel write here comment and say, oh, it's not possible, why you're negative and so on. The reason why I'm negative was this year. Yeah, I saw this 6 months ago. So now the same game in Word. That means I saw the crash here. Now I see the potential of Ethereum. So if you are coming in the Wolf Exclusive Club, you see here, I would make here our example on Ethereum. If you say to me and come in the Wolf Exclusive Club, hey Wolf, could you analyze Ethereum? Then you get from me, from my side, the target for 2025. Why is this possible? Because we have here clear signs. Look here, this is our base. So for me is um, we have to go here to this levels back, yeah, because we have so much support tested and so on, yeah. This is for me clear. So from this point, the next is we have to go out of this negative channel, yeah, and we are landing at this point. The next is we build here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Coming to these levels and test these levels. Yeah, you get exactly this in the Wolf Exclusive Club. That is what the people see in the Wolf Exclusive Club. Yeah, then see here, going to this point, we have to test this again. Yeah, so we reaching here 2024. Then a really sell-off will happen. Yeah, because the walls don't want that you buy here and selling here. You looking to the moon channels and you buy here and you say, okay, I won't make profit in the bull run. Yeah, the moon boys predict to you from 4,000, they predict here 16,000 or something like that. But you stay and not selling, and the wells they bring here the negative trend line to the downside and make this, yeah. And from this point, we will break this and really hard uptrend will begin. Yeah, until I would say, let's look, until 28,000. Yeah. So people of the Wolf Exclusive Club now have this information. Yeah, and then see, okay, this is possible, the potential. Yeah, and then now, okay, I have to be here very careful. Okay, I have a chance here. I have to be careful here, and I have a chance here. Yeah. So, and then they see the potential. Okay, we are here $1,000. Go here to 500, 400. Long-term invest, yeah, to 30,000. So very easy. Yeah, but the stupid, they are smart, intelligent subscriber, but they are also stupid investors and subscribers. They look and they say, why I should invest here in this membership? It makes no sense. Yeah, they think they are really smart and so on, but this is experience. So I offer for you no financial advice. So we're looking here to Bitcoin. If I look to the Bitcoin price, I not like this, what I see, because you can see we make here stupid formations and this is absolute danger here. Maybe we make here one move to the sideways movement here and then the next trend to the downside. So very unstable. I would not recommend this. Yeah. So even if we go here to these levels, yeah, let's say one last move here, we make this and one last move to these levels. At this point, I would say that we have here no energy to go here to the upside. Yeah, we could make this, yeah, to 20,500, but After that, the price will smash to the downside. So, subscribers, please share the videos so that we come here to higher subscribers. Yeah, if we have here higher subscribers, 1,000 viewer on my channel, then I can make more live for you. I compare my channel with other channels, and people who have here 1,000 views in the live stream, they have really not the idea, or they have no clue. Yeah. The value of the information what they say is very low. You get here really good informations. Yeah, look, going to the upside, what I said. I think this is here possible, but no matter, even if we go here to this level, it's 21,000, blah blah. Yeah, the structure is broke. We will smash to the downside. This is the general info for you. It make absolute no sense. Even if we go here to these levels, if the wells here stretch to these levels, make no sense. The negative trend line is here, and if we play here a little bit, at this point we will see that the price will break hard to the downside. So have a nice day. See you later.